All right, this is box number 202. Maple sides, a little bit of curl to them. Okay, with a 45-degree chamfer Purple Heart lid. Now this natural purple is the natural color of the wood. It's from South America. It's called Purple Heart. It's extremely hard and dense. This is box 202. Here are the little lid inserts that keep the lid aligned. Okay, it's just tight enough, but it's an easy pull up opening. It's roughly 8 inches long by 4 inches tall, 4 inches wide, plus the lid and bottom. And this is box 202. Thank you.